Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are your Instagram Reels lagging? Don't worry, here's how to fix the issue and enjoy smooth scrolling. First of all, ensure you have a strong internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. This simple trick can resolve minor glitches. On Android, go to Settings, then choose Apps and select Instagram. Now clear the cache of Instagram. On iPhone, reinstalling the app helps clear the cache data. Now ensure your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Low storage can slow down apps. Free up space by deleting unnecessary files and apps. Go to Instagram settings, data uses, and turn off data server to improve video loading speed. If nothing else works, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. This refreshes the app and removes any corrupted files. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.